So here's the solution of the day. I have this logo and I want to export in 5000 pixels width. What I would do, I would select it, I would make it 5000. Okay, then I will select the artboard and double click. So we would get corner to corner logo. All set. And if we go to file, export, save for web legacy, the new size is 5020, but we wanted in, my client wanted in 5000 pixels width. So what's the problem? If I click the logo, it's still showing 5000. So here's the problem. If you zoom in, you see the covered area is inside and the logo is going outside. So the reason is the logo is showing us 5000 pixel width here, but it has some extra spaces outside. It's because of the stroke. I added stroke here. What I would do, I would ungroup it by pressing Ctrl Shift G. I would click it. You see, the logo is going outside. Simply, I would just go to Object and expand Appearance. So it would take the stroke as well. Okay, I will select all, press Ctrl G. Now the size is 5040. I will click it again, 5000. I will select Artboard tool by pressing Shift O. Click on the logo so we get corner to corner. Control Shift Alt S is the shortcut of saving for web legacy. Now you see our dimension is 5000 pixels. I will save it here, and here is our file, 5000 pixels. So here's the solution. If you ever get confused that your dimensions is not getting properly exported, you're getting wrong dimensions, just see if any stroke is hanging around. Select the stroke and expand it. So you would get your desired dimensions. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.